If you're having an issue where you're hearing a scraping noise when you're riding your bike from the outside without removing the covers, see if you could look through this and see if you could find any sort of like scrapes. Right here, there you can see that there's uniform machine lines, but any scrapes on this may indicate that something got stuck on the magnet bracket right here, like a loose screw or some loose steel bits, and that's what's causing the scrape lines to develop here. You want to also check that when you're riding the bike, does the noise happen at all the resistance levels? Here I'm going down in resistance, and you can see that little bracket is pulling away. You may not have one that has this kind of console. You may have one that just has a knob. They'll both work the same way. Here you can see there's a big gap, and sometimes what may end up happening is a loose screw will get on there at some point, and then when you go up in resistance levels with the console like this or with the normal knob, you'll see how the screw starts getting closer and the magnet wants to keep it in place, but when you start to turn, it's not so bad here, but if this gets stuck further down, it'll be a worse noise. So here I put a screw right there so you could hear a noise, and so now when you're pedaling, you'd hear a noise like that. So this turns in, you see this line developing. So you'd want to take off your shrouds, come in here, look on the inside right there. This arc is pretty big and it goes to the back side over here, so you want to make sure you check back here too where my finger is. You can see the magnets back there. You want to make sure that there's nothing in there, and if there is, just go down in resistance level to open this up, or with the knob go down to resistance level 1 and then just get it out, and then you should be able to fix your problem.